Hi guys, it's Miss Kalisher. I am recording a screencast for you today for you to use later if you need on our database PebbleGo. Now PebbleGo is one of the databases you can use to help you when you're doing research on a topic that you may be studying in class, or if you just are interested in a topic and just want to explore and learn more for yourself. So I'm going to show you how to get to PebbleGo. If you pull up our school library website, you'll see across the top there all of our choices here, and our databases are going to be located under resources. So I'm going to click on resources, and if you look at the bottom of your choices under resources, we see databases. So click on that, and it will bring you to the databases page. And if you scroll down, you'll see all of our databases that we use here at school. And remember, you can use these at home as well. All right, on the bottom left here, we see PebbleGo. If you just click on the colorful icon, it will bring you to PebbleGo's website. Now, as you can see here, when you use PebbleGo, you have choices from animals to science, biographies, and social studies. I know our third graders are learning about explorers right now. So let's see if what we can find to help us maybe learn more about explorers that we're learning in class. I'm going to click on biographies, and that brings up several options. As I look, I see authors, athletes. Oh, here are explorers.
Explorers.
Now, if you notice, when I let my cursor sit on the explorers icon, it read it for me. So if you encounter some words that you may have difficult time with, this PebbleGo will read them for you.
American Indians.
Okay, so it's there if you need it, and if you don't need it, you just click and move on. So I'm going to click on Explorers. Now I have choices of explorers: air and space, world, or United States. Our third graders, we're learning about world explorers right now, so we're going to choose that. Click on World Explorers, and here are some of our options. Again, if you're not sure how to pronounce some of the names of these explorers, all you have to do is just touch it with your cursor and it will read it for you.
Francisco Coronado.
So I see here Leif Erikson. I know he's one of the explorers that the third grade teachers are sharing with you, so we're going to choose him. Now, once you choose him, there are several options available for you. You can read the introduction, or if you look right here, it has a sound button, and you may click that and it will read it for you.
Leif Erikson was a Viking explorer. Most of what is known about Leif's life comes from stories. He was born in about 980 in Iceland. His father was Eric the Red. When Leif was about 6, his family moved to Greenland.
Okay, and if you notice, you have all of this information that you can look at and learn and use about this explorer, so that you click on the next tab. You can read about his early life, his early work, his life's work, what contributions he's made to the world as we know it today, And then at the last tab, you have some related articles, and these might be articles on other important people in our society that may be connected to the one that you are looking at. Also at the bottom, you'll notice you have some other options. You have an option to print, so if you're doing research on this Explorer, you can print the research for your project to use later. This right here, I'm going to click back on, let's click on Early Life. Now I can click down here on Cite, and this gives me my citation that we have talked about before, of where I'm getting my information when doing research. That will help me with the copyright that we have discussed before, and making sure I'm giving credit to the location of where I'm getting my information. Also down here you can click on article, and it gives you two options. You can print the complete article, which includes all of the tabs and all of the information, or if you don't need all of the information and you're just needing a picture, an image, to help you with presenting your research, you can print just an image. Now here's another option, activities. You can share what you know and print an activity. And it gives you a type of worksheet. And this is a way for you to take notes on your Explorer that you were looking at. You can draw a picture, write down facts, and why you think that it is important. Some have videos that you can watch about maybe an animal or an author or whatever information that you're looking at. Many of them have videos that you can watch to go along with them. And you can also view a timeline of the information. So all of the facts that you received when reading about Leif Erikson are here in a timeline for you, so that you can see the order in which all the events took place. So you see here that PebbleGo is such a fabulous resource for you to use. You can use it to help you just learn about things you're interested in. Use it to help you with assignments in class. If your teacher is assigning you a research project, it will help you with your citations and making sure you're giving credit to the authors, and give you more activities and things to go along with it. So please use this in the future. It is such a great resource that we have available for us. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to come and ask.